In this video, I'll show you how to transcribe a voice recording on your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. So all you need to do is simply launch the voice recorder app on your phone, and then select the voice recording you wish to transcribe. Once you've done that, simply tap on transcribe like so, and then it will analyze the recording as it goes through whatever it needs to do. Once it's been successfully transcribed, you can now see on one side you have your transcription, and on the other you have the voice recording. So you can tap on play, and you can listen to the voice recording as it goes through the transcription. So you can see here there's a word in blue. That's currently where the voice recording is playing from. So as you continue, you should be able to read along as the voice recording continues. And so that is how you can transcribe a voice recording on your Galaxy Z TriFold. If your voice recording is in another language, you may be prompted to install the language pack so that the voice recording will be transcribed. But other than that, you should have no other issues. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.